I'm Steve, and today we're going to do a how-to segment on the MagiCard Prima 4, and it's going to be how to load the lamination in this module. As always, at the end of the show, we're going to show you the bad photo ID of the day, and believe me, it is bad. Before we get started though, I want to tell you a little bit about this printer. This is the MagiCard Prima 4. This is what's called a reverse transfer printer, commonly known as retransfer printer. It transfers the image that's printed on the ribbon onto a transfer film, and that is applied to the card and produces amazing quality of the picture and the print that's on the card, and also is easy on the print head. It's so easy on the print head, it has a lifetime warranty that the print head will never break, and that's an expensive part that's covered for a lifetime, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. This printer and laminator has a 3-year warranty, and if anything goes wrong, we'll also provide a loaner for 3 years. So can't get better than that. It's the best in the industry. The printer is either a single-sided or dual-sided, as is the laminating unit. You can laminate one side or laminate both sides. As far as the connection, it comes standard with Ethernet and USB. And as far as options, you have a mag encoder, a smart card encoder, a contactless card encoder as options on this printer. And it produces an over-the-edge print quality because it's retransferring that on there, so it's amazing. It looks like it's been printed on a printing press. As promised, we're going to show you how to load the lamination into the printer. And again, it could be one-sided or two-sided. To help us with that is Douglas from our tech department.
Thanks, Steve. So if it's single-sided, you're obviously just going to take out one. If it's dual-sided, you're going to take out both. So on there, on both of them, there's actually a little diagram of how to put the lamination on. You're going to want to grab your lamination, and from there, it doesn't matter which one you load first. The rollers, well, the spindles with the blue on them, they are going to be the spindles for the new ribbon or the new laminate. You're going to want to go ahead and slide it on there. You're going to want to wrap it around these. Come back around to here. Slide it onto there. And that's one of them. And these ones are actually labeled, well, not labeled, but they have the arrow that tells you if this goes up or down. So there's that one. Make sure it clicks. The second one, go ahead and do the same thing. Slide it on, roll it up a little bit. Find the arrow, tells you where to go with it. Make sure it clips in, and you're good to go.
Alright, simple as that. As promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you thought of any questions or have questions that come up, submit them to us on our Facebook portion of our website, idedge.com. Call us at any time at 800-798-3343. We're here to help you and make this whole process easy.